So right now we'll be discussing what the Talawa plugin architecture looks like. It is just an overview of all the services we'll be using in Talawa. So let's just understand it very nicely. The first thing that should catch your attention is plugin store. A plugin store is simply a store that helps users and admins to browse plugins. Admins can do plugin management calls like enable, disable, install, uninstall. We will store all the metadata of a plugin in this metadata DB. This DB can be implemented in Postgres based on our choice. Postgres is already implemented in Talawa. This is the only database we have. So it is good to have a database in Postgres only. The metadata of plugin can be like readme files, number of installations done, or a small description about the plugin and so on. This will be the metadata of the plugin. The core plugin code, which is developed by external contributors, will be stored in our object storage. It can be a MinIO or an AWS S3 bucket. MinIO because it's already implemented in Talawa and it's open source as well. So that's the best option we have. This will store all the packaged version of the plugin code. Why packaged? Package is more like zip and unzip. This is packaged to save the storage on our object storage and to save cost if we self-host it in any time in future. So this is where we'll be storing our plugin packages. So now whenever an admin does a plugin management call, for example, admin says to install a plugin for a particular organization, then this will be a plugin management call. This will be taken as a plugin management call. The first thing that will happen is the plugin store will be updated with an installed notification will be done, and we will fetch this MinIO, fetch our plugin packaged code from MinIO, and this packaged code will go through a unpackaged service. This will unpackage the code and provide this unpackaged code file to the clients. The interesting part here is that at the same time when an admin does a plugin management call, admin also propagates this event to a client. So now what will the client do? The client will fetch the unpackaged files of code, plugin code from the unpackaged service. One by one, the client can fetch these files. No need to get all the files of a plugin at once. This is a more optimal approach as clients will fetch the files as needed time by time. We'll discuss more on how an unpackaged service works, but the core architecture is that admin does a plugin management call. The plugin store changes the option from install to installed. The main aim is also that the event gets propagated here. So now when the package version of plugin is fetched from MinIO, it goes to unpackaged service. The unpackages the plugin and provides it to client when it fetches the plugin. The clients will be all the users of that organization, all the admins of that organization, and so on. This will be serving the plugin files. This is all about the overview of plugin architecture. We will discuss more architecture in different videos.